So this is another myth or another misconception.
It's a lie.
I mean, yeah, banana peels can release some magnesium and potassium into your water, but your plants are not, your soil is not lacking it.
Well, but the amount of the bananas you would have to have in order to get the proper amount of potassium is you don't have enough money to buy those bananas.
Right. Yeah, that's just it. I mean, is it going to hurt your plants? No, it's not going to hurt.
But do you have better things to do than to shove some banana peels in water and let it steep for X amount of time?
Maybe it's a fun little project for you and your children.
But it's a waste of time. Put the banana peels in the compost pile.
Right.
End of story.
I agree. I just can't imagine the smell. It can't smell good.
Well, some of them I've seen puts them in like an old peanut butter jar and then tightens the lid on it so it steeps better. I don't know.